Hey Bryce. Bryce. Hey little guy, open up your eyes. Show everybody your pretty eyes. Hey handsome man. Hey, you alive? Hey. Oh, don't wake me, Papa. Bryce. Hey, bud. Oh. What? What did you... What? Oh, what's wrong? Oh. Little guy. He's out. Oh, stretch it out. Open up those handsome little man eyes. Come on, show them off. Not quite. Alright. Maybe later. Oh, he's shy. Oh, I think he just farted. Sweet. Oh! Poor guy, he's got it rough. Alright. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.